Hello, food lovers. Welcome to a journey of embracing a healthier lifestyle. Let's talk about healthy eating and how it can transform your life. It's not about strict diets or depriving yourself, but about feeling amazing and energized every day. When we eat well, we feel our best, both physically and mentally. Think of it like giving your body the good stuff it deserves, nourishing it with essential nutrients. Imagine your body as a high-performance car. To run smoothly and efficiently, it needs the right fuel, just like our bodies need the right food. That's where healthy eating comes in, providing the premium fuel our bodies need to thrive. It's like giving your body the premium fuel it needs to thrive. This isn't about deprivation or boring meals. It's about enjoying delicious, nutritious food that makes you feel fantastic and satisfied. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey with me? Together, we can make healthy eating fun and enjoyable. Let's dive into some simple yet effective tips that will make a big difference in your daily routine. Let's start with the superstars of the show, fruits and veggies. Aim for at least 5 portions a day. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which are like little superheroes for your body. Think of it as adding a splash of color to your plate. From vibrant berries to leafy greens, each fruit and vegetable offers unique health benefits. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Add spinach to your morning smoothie, snack on crunchy carrots, or roast a medley of colorful veggies for dinner. Next up, let's talk about hydration. Water is like magic for our bodies, keeping us energized and everything ticking along nicely. Sugary drinks. They might be tempting, but they're like party poopers for our health. Swap those fizzy culprits for good old H2O. Carry a reusable water bottle and sip throughout the day. You can even add slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint for a refreshing twist. Section 4. Decoding food labels, navigating the world of processed foods. Now, let's unravel the mystery of those food labels. Processed foods often hide sneaky sugars, unhealthy fats, and salt. Knowledge is power, right? Start by checking the ingredient list. Look for recognizable ingredients and be mindful of long, unpronounceable words. Those are often a sign of heavily processed ingredients. Remember, less is more when it comes to processed foods. Choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Section 5. Small changes, big impact, practical tips for everyday eating. Don't worry, I'm not going to suggest a complete diet overhaul. Instead, let's focus on easy, practical changes that can make a big difference. It's all about making small, manageable changes that fit into your lifestyle. For instance, you can start by incorporating more vegetables into your meals. Start by swapping white bread for wholemeal and try brown rice or quinoa instead of white rice. These grains are packed with nutrients and can be just as delicious. These simple swaps add more fiber and nutrients to your diet. You'll feel fuller for longer and have more energy throughout the day. Plan your meals ahead of time to avoid impulsive, unhealthy choices. Make a list before you go grocery shopping to stay on track. And remember, cooking at home doesn't have to be complicated. Start with simple, healthy recipes that you enjoy. Experiment with new ingredients and flavors to keep things interesting. The more you enjoy your meals, the easier it will be to stick to healthy eating habits. Section 6. Your journey to a healthier you. Embrace the transformation. This is your moment to shine, to take control of your health and well-being. Congratulations on taking this positive step towards a healthier you. Every small change you make is a step in the right direction. Remember, it's a journey, not a race. Take it one day at a time and don't be too hard on yourself. Be kind to yourself and celebrate each small victory along the way. Each milestone, no matter how small, is worth acknowledging. Focus on nourishing your body with wholesome foods and savor each bite. Enjoy the flavors, the textures, and the satisfaction of eating well. Listen to your body's hunger cues and eat when you're hungry. Stop when you're full. Trust your body to tell you what it needs. Most importantly, enjoy the process. Make it fun, involve your loved ones, and create lasting memories. Healthy eating is about feeling your best, inside and out. It's about having the energy to do the things you love. So let's raise a glass of water or a green smoothie to a healthier and happier you. Cheers to your journey, your progress, and your commitment to a better life.